Day TED Talks. I'm here in the Adirondacks of New York. I went to the University of Vermont, and while I was there I developed a love for hiking. I love to hike, and today we're going to talk about trees. Over the next 2 years, Fred's Tents has committed to planting 5,000 trees across the United States. We're doing this through AmericanForest.org, and they plant 6 different varieties to reforest portions of the United States that have diminishment of trees. We're doing this to maybe make our footprint a little smaller and to help, and we're announcing it this month because it's Arbor Day, Earth Day, and time to recycle and reuse. Thank you everybody, and take a hike.